What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get started in cryptocurrency. I'm going to show you 4 of the easiest apps to use to get your trash into, well, crypto. You can get into stable coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever you want. There's so many different options and there are different perks on each of them. I'm going to break down a couple of them. But anyways, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, 3 things for me: like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment in that description below saying you subscribe. You'll automatically get thrown into that drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. So guys, that is one of the easiest ways to get some free Bitcoin, is just leaving a comment below saying you subscribed. And then on top of that, tell me what you ate for lunch. I mean, dude, make sure it's chicken or steak, or even better, did you eat some cold Publix cake? All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into this. And the first app we're going to talk about is crypto.com. So crypto.com, the reason why I like crypto.com is it's got a couple cool features. This is actually, you can go directly into the app. And this is probably one of the easiest ways where you can use a fiat on-ramp. As you guys can see, as I'm scrolling through, you can go to USDC and you can literally buy whatever you want. And the fee is only 2.99%, but you can transact with it anywhere you want and send it instantly anywhere you want. And on top of this, they pay about 10% if you guys want to stake it for a certain lockup period. And they have a pretty good referral program. I'll leave a link in the description below so you guys can get $25 in CRO, just free tokens. Can't beat it. Second one's Cash App, guys. The reason why I like Cash App is the withdrawal fees are entirely free. So like, yeah, you do, it's about 1.5 to 2%, depending on how much you buy, but it's really easy. They even added limit orders now. This is a game changer. Check this out. Look, you can literally set a custom price order, put it anywhere you want, however much you want, and that's it. Actually, they do have limits up to 100 G's, but hey, dude, can't beat it. You can even have an option to auto invest. So, and when you do this, when you get it on the Cash App, you can send it anywhere you want. All you got to do is enter the amount that you want to send, enter the wallet address, and you literally can send it anywhere you want. No gas fees, no transaction fees. This is only for Bitcoin, and this is on Cash App. Referral link in the description below as well. You get 15 bucks in free USD. Yeah, I know, but you can still buy some Bitcoin with that USD. And what's really cool about Cash App is they have these boosts that you can add to your credit card, and they have some Bitcoin boosts. Dude, guys, I ate some tacos for Taco Tuesday, and dude, I got paid 2,992 sats. Can't beat it. Now, this one is my favorite one. It is Coinbase. And the reason why I like it is because the fees are like nothing. You can literally buy some USDC right now. And yes, there is about a 5 to 6 day hold, or no, it's about 4 to 5 day holding period when you make the purchase, unless you have funds already in your wallet. So if your account is already funded, they use it as like a collateral, etc. I'll explain it later in the video, but basically you can do a 1-to-1 ratio. And you can use cash, you can use your bank, you can do a wire transfer. There's so many different options. And did I mention, guys, it's no fees, like no fees. Literally, you spend $1, you get 1 USDC, and you're earning 0.15% interest on it. You can't beat it. Soon it's going to be 4% interest. And dude, it's just money that's sitting there. I mean, that was normally in the bank. You literally click, 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 and you earn 4% interest, or 0.15. That's more than a bank. Can't beat it. You can withdraw back to your bank at any time. Let me show you guys how to withdraw it off the wallet. Literally, all you'll do is select the entire amount that you want. It's literally whatever the Ethereum gas fee is at that time. That's why I really like Coinbase, because it's not a set withdrawal fee. In fact, like when the GUI was like 5 GUI on Ethereum, I was able to withdraw some USDC for 20 cents. Dude, can you go on in an exchange and withdraw USDC for 20 cents? No, you can't. I don't even think you can do that for withdrawing to Binance Smart Chain. But dude, that was like nuts and ham. I was like, whoa, mind blown. But guys, Coinbase is, me personally, that's my favorite one to use. There's a referral link in the description below as well for that, if you guys want to get $10 in free Bitcoin. But I'm sure everyone's got a Coinbase account. But guys, you got to check out this hack. This is like the coolest hack. You can get your cash to stables with like no fees, and you can get it on an exchange with like no fees. Like, dude, 20 cents for a transaction. Okay, sorry. Man, the GUI is just like nuts and ham right now. Let's just say it's 50 GUI. Oh man, I'm gonna have to pay $1.50 to send this somewhere. Sure beats $20 in a withdrawal fee on like exchanges like KuCoin or I heard Binance is like $20 for USDT. It's nuts. But anyways, guys, let me show you how the balances work. This is something important to understand. But the available balance is how much you can cash out or transfer immediately out of your Coinbase account. So once you purchase it, they do put your funds on hold because they got to make sure it clears through because people dispute all kinds of garbage. So what it means is on hold is that you can't cash it out or withdraw it to your bank. You got to leave it in the account. However, you can trade at any time that you want through Coinbase. So like you can trade your USDC for Bitcoin. Yes, there are fees that apply, but still, you guys get the point. If you're like, oh man, Bitcoin just dropped 30 grand. It's like on a fire sale and I got to make a decision. Well, that 1% fee or 2% fee really isn't going to make much of a difference in the long haul, in my opinion. But hey, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice, and I'm wrong 100,000% of the time. They have another feature. If you like have collateral or other tokens in there, they'll use it as collateral. So say you have about 200 G's, well, let's just say $2,000 worth of Bitcoin in there, and you just withdrew and got $100,000 or $1,000 worth of USDC. Well, that $2,000, they'll use it as collateral, so you can send that USDC as an available balance anywhere you want for the price of an Ethereum gas fee. So me personally, guys, Coinbase is like one of the easiest ways to do it, especially if you have a balance on Coinbase.com or if you have some time on your side to wait for the USDC to become available. So there are other options where you can withdraw immediately. The two options are either a wire transfer or a debit card purchase. So that's something to keep in mind as well. So if you guys want to use that, well, you can purchase it with a debit card or do a wire transfer. And of course, the fourth option is Celsius. So Celsius, you can actually purchase cryptocurrency through their app, and they have a cheap bank transfer option. It's only going to be 0.1%. They use Jim to purchase the cryptocurrencies, and yeah, they don't lie when it's saying the best rates in the industry. It literally is the best rates in the industry. So I recommend you guys check that out as an option if you guys already have Celsius. If you don't, referral link in the description below. You get $40 in BTC using the link, and make sure you type in HODL50. That will change, I'm sure, in like a week or two when they come out with a new promo code. They do all the time. But typing in my promo code and the HODL50 BTC HODL50 promo code will earn you a total of $90 in free BTC just for a transfer of $400. You can't beat it. But anyways, guys, the reason why I like Celsius is because once you have the cryptocurrency on that app, you can withdraw it to any wallet address that you want. Like obviously like a Bitcoin native address if you're doing Bitcoin, and the gas fees are free. You don't have to pay any gas fees. So like you get the money on there and you're like, what do I do? What do I do? I want to send it somewhere. And then you send it wherever you want. And if you don't want to do anything with it, you earn passive income. Look, they're paying me interest right now. They're paying about 6.25% interest on my Bitcoin. So it's game changer. But anyways, guys, those are just a couple of tips and tricks on how to get your cash or get started in cryptocurrency. So guys, I hope that video helped. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you guys enjoyed the video, do 3 things for me: like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment in the description below saying you subscribed. You will automatically get thrown into that drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. So guys, if you guys want some $100 in free BTC, you guys know what to do. And as always, Proverbs chapter 21 verses 31. The horse is made ready for the day of battle, but victory rests with the Lord. What does this mean, guys? Dude, you know who's the winner. It's like picking teams, especially playing basketball. You know who's the best. You want them on your team. You guys want to be on the right team? Figure out that right one. Anyways, guys, if you guys want to join any of those, referral links are in the description below. You guys get some bonuses. If you guys want to join the Telegram chat, we also got that in the description below. You guys can ask questions. We got a strong community over there. We'll be more than happy to help you out. We love to help people get into crypto. I mean, that's the whole reason why I started this channel, is getting other people into crypto and teaching people about this junk. But I hope this video helped learning the easiest ways to get your trash into crypto, so you guys can get started in DeFi, get started in cryptocurrency, get started in lending, staking, anything, man. Just check it out. All right, guys, this is to be continued. I'll show you some more tips and tricks on how to earn some passive income on some of these centralized exchanges. So it's not only in DeFi, and some of them pay up to 25% on cryptocurrency, guys. That's pretty much a game changer. But anyways, guys, just wanted to keep this video short. Me and Puffy breaking this junk down. And guys, throughout the video, I'm sure you saw like me staring like this way. It was kind of like because the camera was. Dogs, gotta say thanks to the patrons. Sean Bott, Da Man, Tariq Liu, TL King, JP, PJ, Bernito, Taco Nacho. Dogs, thanks for watching. Alright guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind the scenes junk. So here it is, scan it, check it out, bomb bomb.